Okay, now I'm going to show you how to solve these problems in the spreadsheet or how to use these logic problems. So if you score above 60%, you pass, otherwise you fail. So we're looking at basically your grade and pass. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Pass or fail. You could also set this up as like, do you pass, yes or no, and do it that way. So let's say you have a 9th grader, 11th grader, or I'm sorry, going crazy. 64, 80, 95, and 5. It's a real bad one. So equals if, basically if this is greater, so that's above, right, than 60, comma, the value, if that's true, you pass. Do that one first, comma, if you don't, you fail. Close our parentheses. And then we can just drag it down. There we go. That makes sense, right? They all pass except for that 5. And if you're thinking like, but we just know that. This, like, why do we need to make a spreadsheet? You don't, but if you have a really long list, it would be much easier. This is much more useful with large sets of data, but I'm not going to show you with a large set of data. I'm showing you with a smaller set. If Paige has pizza or mac and cheese for dinner, she's happy, otherwise she's angry. Okay. So Paige's dinner is the first column. And then happy or angry. You could again say like happy or angry, yes or no, or something. So Paige's dinner, let's say pizza, tacos, grilled cheese. Doesn't always make her angry, but mac and cheese. Oops. All right. So equals if, but we also have an or. So we have parentheses, and then we also have or, another left parenthesis. So we're saying if this cell equals pizza, and so we have to use quotation marks around words, comma, or this cell equals, oops, mac and cheese. And then we close that, comma, value if that's true is happy. Again, quotation marks around words, comma, if it's not true, not sad, angry. Close it. We'll drag it down. Looks good, happy, angry, angry, happy. She's not always angry when this happens. It's just she's always happy with pizza and mac and cheese, just to, be loyal to my daughter. All right, if it's warm and sunny outside, then the weather is fantastic. Otherwise, the weather is okay. So let's look at, there's different ways you could set this up. I'm going to say, this column, usually with ands, you'll have more than one column. So that's one way to do it. So let's say we talk about first, like the general temperature, like kind of the temperature type. Again, the categories are kind of up to whoever's making the spreadsheet. And then maybe the other question is sunny or cloudy. And then it's weather question mark, like is it fantastic or is it okay? So temperature, let's say warm, cool, cold, and then it's warm again. Sunny or cloudy, let's say cloudy, sunny, oops, don't want that, sunny, cloudy, sunny. And now equals, we have an if, we also have an and. So if this cell equals warm, comma, this cell equals sunny. So there's our and piece, so we close it, comma, value if true, fantastic, comma, value if false, okay. We'll drag it down. Perfect. The only day it's warm and sunny, it's fantastic. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Let's go to this other spreadsheet, or this other page in the spreadsheet, and I'd like you to try these examples. So pause the video and try them. And if you're not quite ready to try on your own, that's okay. Don't pause at all and just stick around. Okay, so if the temperature is above 60 degrees, then we will go outside. Otherwise, we'll stay inside. So let's look at this one. We're looking for temperature. For this one, you could have said like outside versus inside. So let's just say temperature and then outside or inside in type. Okay, let's say it's 64, 80, 95, and 30 because it's Minnesota, right? So equals if, now we're looking at temperature, we don't have an and or an or. So this is greater than 60, comma, value if true. If it's true, we go outside, comma, value if false, inside, close. We'll drag it down. Looks like we go outside except for when it's 30, right? And again, this is super useful, lots of data. You could do it in your head without a spreadsheet if it's not very much data, and I know that. If you are in grade 11 or 12, you're an upperclassman, otherwise you're an underclassman. So we're looking at grade, not really a question mark, I guess, and then upperclassmen or underclassmen. So grade, let's say you have a couple of 10th grader, 12th grader, 9th grader, 11th grader. Okay. So equals, we have our if. We also have our or. So we're looking for if this cell equals 11, comma, this cell equals 12, close it, comma, value if true, upperclassmen, comma, value if false, underclassmen, close it. And then we'll drag it down. Perfect. So keep in mind with this formula, if we look back at it again, we don't need quotation marks around the numbers because they're fine. We only need quotation marks around words. Last one, if it is Friday and you are not tired, you will stay up late, otherwise you will go to bed early. So what day it is, and then tired or not tired. Then stay up late or go, let's just say stay up late question. We'll make it like a yes or no, this one. So let's say it's Tuesday. Oops, no autocorrect here. Huh? Tuesday, Friday. These are just random days we're choosing, right? Saturday, Monday, and another Friday. Say tired, tired, not tired. Monday you're tired, and this Friday you're not tired. So stay up late. This is going to be like yes or no, okay? So answer this equals if we also have an and. So if this cell equals Friday, need our quotation marks, comma, and this cell equals not tired, close it, comma, value if true is yes, you'll stay up late. Value if false, no, you won't. So then we'll drag it down. And it worked because Friday and not tired is only that one. The rest of them were no's. And you totally could have put in here in your command here, like instead of yes and no, you could have been said stay up late and go to bed early. That would be fine too.